Good afternoon, awesome 5th graders. Today you are going to be creating a table using Microsoft Word. The first thing you're going to do is click on Microsoft Word on the icon down here on your taskbar. And you're going to click blank document. If you have a sidebar like this that says document recovery, you can close it and then just click yes, I want to view these files later, and OK. Now the first thing we need to do is make sure that we save it to our desktop. So we're going to click File, Save As, and we're going to click Browse to find desktop. Now I see desktop on my sidebar, but you can also look for it here at with this little drop-down menu and click on desktop. Now where it says file name, we're going to change it to your name. So I'm going to use Maldonado, but you would use yours. So for instance, if you are Moises, you would write Moises and then chocolate milk. Excuse me. And then you're going to click save. And how do we know that we've saved? It should say the title that you've chosen at the very top of your document. You can pause the video now to go do that. Alright, that means you're back. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create a title. I'm going to let you choose your font as long as it's legible. That means I'm able to read it. So I'm going to just scroll down. Let's see. I think I'm going to go with this one today, Playbill. And it's my title, so I'm going to make it a little bit larger. And let's keep it at 48. And we can adjust it once we write the title, so we'll see. So everybody's title will be Benefits and Consequences of Chocolate Milk in Schools. Now, what I need to do is, this is aligned to the left. I'm actually going to press Control, hold it down, and the letter A to select my text. And I'm going to click Center. So you can pause the video now to do this. Alright, so you're back. So now I'm going to again press Control A to select my text, and I want to change the color. I might just choose more colors and then maybe standard or custom. And I'm going to go with this pink and click OK. Alright, so now once I have chosen my color and I press Enter and I go down, I'm going to go to my third tab. So this is File, Home. I'm going to click Insert. Insert means to add something. So I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to click on the table. And I'm going to have 2 columns. So I have 1, 2. And then I'm going to, for now, just going to have 8 rows total. So let's click on those. So it should be 2 times 8. And then you click it. If for some reason you make a mistake, so I'm going to undo that really fast. If you make a mistake, so for instance, I go insert and then instead of doing 2 times 8, I do 3 times 8, that's okay. We can just press Control and then the letter Z, you hold it down at the same time, and we undo that. So again, I'm going to go to Insert, Table, 2 times 8, and I'm going to click that. So just double check that I have it. Now pause the video to add your table. Alright. Next, we are going to have 2 columns. We're going to have benefits in this one, and then consequences in this column. Now, I can also, if you'd like, you can change your color if you'd like, or even the font for that one. Ooh, let's keep it on green. Okay, so now we have benefits and we have consequences. Now, I'm going to go all the way down, and I'm going to go right behind the last little row, and I'm going to press Enter. And that might happen, which is okay. So we're going to press Control Z to get rid of it. So I'm going to see if I can try to click down here. This is what I want. I want to click down here. And we are going to write the word sources. Actually, we're going to write online sources. Okay? Now when we do our online sources, in a moment I'll show you how you're going to use this bottom part. I want you to pause the video to make sure you have everything that I've said thus far. Alright, so now we are ready to start our research. Ms. Bolaños wanted you guys to work on researching the benefits and consequences, oops, I forgot an S, of chocolate milk in schools. So since we have benefits on the left column, we can start with that one. I'm going to ask you guys to press Firefox, and you guys would have actually, it would just open up to your Google. So I'm going to open it up again. Now, instead of going to Google, I just recently discovered this amazing search engine. It's through Google, but it's Safe Search. So this is the website that I want you guys to use. It's kiddle.co. There's no M at the end. Make sure you put Kiddle, kiddle.co. And once you get there, I want you guys to write or type benefits of chocolate milk. And you're going to be able to search through the first few pages of your search and click on some of the links to start gathering information. So I'm looking, first one I see, chocolate milk's natural muscle recovery benefits. Low-fat chocolate milk, the new sports drink. USA Swimming, refueling and rehydrating after workout. I'm gonna click on this one. Let's see. Now there's a lot of text here. Now I'm going to show you a quick awesome shortcut. Let's click allow. Allow, and remember, I'm going to ask you guys to press Control F at the same time, and I'm looking for my keywords chocolate, not Chico, chocolate, and it highlights it for me, and it highlights it 4 times. Do you guys see that? 1 out of 4, and I can go down and see where else it's highlighted. But I'm going to go back to the first match. So it says, in fact, muscle cells become resistant to absorbing nutrients after 2 hours, said Stager, author of a study on the surprising benefits of chocolate milk as a recovery drink. The study conducted on Indiana University athletes in 2004 showed that subjects who drank chocolate milk directly after morning practice were better able to perform during the afternoon practice. So, whoa, that's definitely something that we could probably use for our research. So I'm going to go back to my document. And what I like to do so I can work on this simultaneously, I like to not maximize. Well, you do maximize it, but in this case you're kind of resizing it to half page. And then I'm going to resize this one too, so I can kind of look at both of them at the same time. So you can just kind of put it on the side. And it was saying, where was it? Let's go down, let's find it again. There we go. So, surprising benefits of chocolate milk. Ooh, so now it's too big. Now we want to make sure it's on size 12. Or maybe size 14. So chocolate milk can have surprising benefits. A study was done at a university where they discovered that athletes who drank chocolate milk were able to perform better during an afternoon practice. That's great. That's a great note as a benefit, right? So before I go on to another article to keep reading about the benefits of chocolate milk, I'm going to maximize this. I'm going to click on this article, on this link, I'm sorry. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go down to my document. Remember, we have a section for sources, and I'm going to press enter. I'm going to click on this number and press right click paste. And now I have my first source. And we can make this a little bit smaller. The sources do not have to be that big. And if I press enter, Microsoft Word does this amazing thing where it highlights it for you, and the next time you want to search for this article, you can just press Control, and it takes you to it. Control and click. Okay? So I want you guys to pause the video now, or actually we're at the end of the video, and I want you guys to, for the remainder of class, work on gathering information on the benefits